Hey guys, today I'm back to do another reaction for you after a very long time. It's only been a couple of weeks, but anyways, yeah, my voice sounds really husky right now and I sound like a man because I've been sick this whole week and it's just like, yeah. But anyways, I'm here to check out my man, Rain is back, and I think this song is called The Best Present or some shit like that. So let's jump right into this. God, him in this. God, look at his arms. Look at his arms. God! But oh my God, he's killing these dance moves. Watch, watch, watch. Ah! Yo. How is he killing it? He doesn't even have any backup dancers. Oh. This song low-key reminds me of Love Song. Ooh. I can't even scream too loud. My throat hurts. Rain, you have that haircut. Wait. I can see this is a dance video. It makes me so happy. Like, look at this man. And that black freaking tight shirt is doing everything for his life right now. Yes. No, why are you saying goodbye? God, and stop looking at us like that. Like, oh. Ah! Honestly, because this was I think this was produced by Psy. I was expecting like more of an upbeat kind of thing, But like, no, it was, and the Rain, I love you, man. Like, I wish you did music more. Like, this is his comeback after so long. It's been a while. It's been a while. Yes. God, these man, he was just killing all the dance move from the beginning to the end. Like, everything was just perfect. And it, God, oh my God. Besides the point, but I would be the happiest person in the world when I hear that him and Kim Tae is getting married. Happiest person in the world, okay? They've been together for so long at this point. If they were married secretly, I would be so happy. Honestly. But, I'm still waiting on that news. God bless the day when. Anyways, that's it for me. I will see you guys in my next video.